Hello and welcome to the Testprepkart channel once again. This is Pranay, and in this video we are going to talk about a very important notification for all the NEET aspirants who are planning to get into MBBS soon. This notification might not help the aspirants who are planning to write NEET in the year 2022, but might be important for the students who are planning to write in 2023 or 2024. So before coming to the notification details, first thing is that I'll give the link in the description for this official notification so that you can go through the details. Second thing, let me just ask you one important thing. Whenever it comes down to the medical colleges, we always prefer going down to the government medical colleges. Why government medical colleges? I assume it to be like, as far as I think, I would say I can come across 2 points. One is the reputation of the government colleges. The reputation of government colleges are good compared to the private medical colleges. This is one. Second, the fee. Of course, the fee part. The fee in any government colleges, in any government college, would be lower or would be on a lower side compared to a private medical college, right? Why I'm telling you this? Because the notification is almost on the same line. Now, what this notification is telling all of these aspirants are that, for example, in Maharashtra, let's take an example of Maharashtra. Okay, you have government colleges in Maharashtra, you have private medical colleges in Maharashtra too. Now, as per this notification, private medical colleges will have to give away 50% of their medical seats at the rate of a government medical college fee. Okay, to make it simpler for you, to make it more understandable, if we have a government medical college in Maharashtra, and the fee in that medical college is approximately, let's say, 20 lakh rupees. So, as per this notification, what will happen from now on, that there is that private medical college in Maharashtra too, which from now onward will have to offer. If this medical college is having 100 seats over there, then 50 seats they have to offer at a fee which is applicable to a government medical college in that particular state. So earlier, if the fee for this private medical college was, let's say, 70 or 80 lakh rupees, now 50 seats they have to give at a fee of, let's say, 20 lakh rupees, which is applicable to a government medical college. I understand that there must be some confusion, still must be some confusion. If that is there, do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as much as possible. So this is part number one. Part two is that only students who have applied to the government seats, only they are eligible to get admission into these private medical colleges. Only they are eligible. If you have applied only to the private medical colleges, you might not be able to get these discounted seats. So this is part number two. Part number three is that my estimation is that, I may not be correct, but the estimation is roughly around 20 to 25,000 seats would be increased in terms of the availability or in terms of access to those students who earlier could not afford a medical education in a private medical colleges. So these seats are now available to the students who are coming on the merit. Okay, so this is the part number three. Part number four is we always come across and we always give details to the NRI students also. In this section too, since there is not much clarity, what we have given is we have also given a link in the description for one of our blog, particularly on this topic. You can refer to that. Whatever new update we get, we'll try to post it over there so that you are most updated. And from a preparation point of view, let me just tell you, if you are thinking it the other way around, that you can now get into the private medical college and you can get the C at a discounted rate, that is not true. You have to be in the merit to get these discounted rate. If you are not through merit, if your score is not good, if you have not applied to the government medical seat, then you are not eligible under this notification. The rule is as such for this date. So if you have any doubt, do post that in the comment section below. We try to answer as much as possible. And do consider subscribing us so that you are most updated. Thank you.